Good afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with us today is a 2017 Audi A4 Premium Plus. This is finished in Monsoon Blue Metallic. It's equipped with a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, backed by a 7-speed automatic gearbox. Got 18-inch 5 double-spoke wheels, and those inserts are painted in a gray metallic. Full LED headlamps. S-line exterior package. Up here at the driver front wheel, got a little bit of curb rash there along the lip. Notice some of that. Continental Pro Contact all-season tires. Front tires have 830 seconds of tread life. Rear tires have 930 seconds of tread life. No replacing those anytime soon. Back here at the driver rear, a little more curb rash there along the lip. Front brakes measured at 8 millimeters of friction material. Rears are at 10 millimeters. Stainless steel dual exhaust. A few little light scratches back here on the bumper, just below the cargo area. Not too bad. Back here on the passenger rear quarter panel, there's a small little scratch there. Try and get that touched up for you. And back here at the passenger rear wheel, great shape, no curb rash. There is just a little bit of a gouge there on the lip, but that's really about it. The body's in good shape. I didn't see any dents or dings. Right here on the passenger front quarter panel, you'll notice a few very light scratches there. Again, try and get those touched up for you. And last but not least, passenger front wheel, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches. Up here on the front bumper, a few little light scratches and scuffs there, just underneath the side marker, and a few right there. Again, try and get those touched up once factory touch-up paint comes in. Take you to the interior. We have an Atlas beige leather interior, black carpeting. Got dark brown walnut high gloss interior trim. Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system. Audi all-weather floor mats. Seats are in great shape. No wear. Got cold weather package, so this does have the 3-stage heated rear seats back here. Up here to the driver front, memory settings there for driver seat. You have power folding heated exterior mirrors. Got the illuminated S-line door trim guards. Power adjustable driver seat with lumbar support. Audi MMI navigation is standard on this Premium Plus model. It's also equipped with the Audi smartphone interface, so you will have Apple CarPlay. Got 3-stage heated front seats with dual zone climate control. Illuminated cup holders. Heated multifunction steering wheel. And your Audi virtual cockpit. Very cool, I love this feature. And as you can see there, current mileage 37143. Power sunroof. And this is also equipped with the Audi side assist, so you will have that blind spot monitor. Alright folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, please give us a call anytime, 614-793-1050. There'll be over 100 photos of this vehicle on our website, so please check those out at autoassets.com.